actually our first time.
Sakto siya for my race day next week. Next Sunday din.
Nagulat kami kasi first time namin tumakbo dito sa Makati. Meron palang car-free Sunday. And sobrang enjoy.
It was fun and hopefully by next time, mas marami pang mga runners na mag-join. Tara, takbo na tayo.
Okay naman na experience. Kahit inulan, sobrang saya na makiisa sa community ng My Bukas World Cup.
In terms of experience, life-changing. Nice to do this kind of activity.
First time namin itong sumali and we're looking forward for another one.
Wow!
Masaya.
I think it's a great experience. Like, uulit ako if meron pa next year. And yeah, this is worth it. Sunday well spent.
Masaya naman siya and maganda naman yung experience namin.
Tsaka no pressure naman. Pwedeng walk, pwedeng run.
It's a good experience.
Definitely uulit.
So it was fun, especially to see other My Townies. Kasi ako, nag-spend ako ng thousands pesos para mag-join ng other fun run. Then my colleague mentioned na meron nga daw yung My Town na it's free. Plus there's a lot of sponsor. So it was fun and I'm looking forward to the next one.
Thank you, My Town!
Thank you, My Town!
Thank you, My Town!
Thank you, My Town!
Thank you, my
Thank you, My Town!